Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ulampang jonga yendor ba thawan ge jillau Thomas e sangma haga pratrik unai lur aratar phosan la Pdiang ge Shithi Iehnohkam jong simbut lampang utimati di shira ulampang lolum kirki ge jingalang jong business advisory committee haga bla shimrai ban pinlong ge election jit simbut lampang bathamai hakat atrik unai lur aratar phosan habakli halo kan ge jing Iehnohkam jong timati uthama sangma ule tho begede ge jing batha jong high command jong party.
This morning, I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and accordingly I have accepted it. And immediately I have called for an emergent meeting of the BAC, Business Advisory Committee, to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session to as to when we can take the time to elect the new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BSC had said, and we have decided that we will go, the election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session. Just said I'm resigning because I was told that he has received from the party high command that he should step down. That's all. That's what he had told me.
Whom to be replaced?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Whom to be replaced?
That is for maybe the party, religious party, to decide on that.
I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly decision is up to our party high command. That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Well, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. He said, "Well, party man, I cannot say no."
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom. That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere. That also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should resign. That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative. I tell you. Yeah, I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep way. No, I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied.
So
This is my nature. I never get angry. In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry. At about 11 at night, when I was able to sleep, suddenly I got it.
And today, what time you resigned?
Before 9:30, I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be? Whom they will pick up for deputy speaker? That also, you see, it is not within my knowledge. No. I am not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give you any suggestion.